Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will learn some techniques about hatching. Usually, at the end of project, when a drawing or model is complete, one has to give some special textures to some specified areas. For that, hatching is used. In order to learn the concept of hatching, let us create a few geometries first. We have this rectangular shape. Now let's create small partitions with the help of offset. Now we have 5 different partitions or 5 different scale-like structures. By writing hatch in the command box, we get the hatch. And in this, we get different types of hatching. There are solids, patterns, and gradients. Here, you can set the resolution depending upon the area and the size. Then you may change the angle and change the transparency. By clicking on the green tick button, you can complete the command. Again, if we choose hatching and this different format, we get something like this. Now, we can again change the resolution. Usually it is done by hit and trial method until you get the specified output. Then we have angle and hatch transparency. Let's enter again. Now we have another option like match property. If we click on match property, we select any hatch available. It will copy the hatch settings and then we can click on any area and it would be copied there. Other than solid and pattern, we have gradients as well. In gradient, we can also change the two colors like this. So in this way, we can do a gradient hatch. If we select any hatch, we will again be redirected to this option. Now, we can change all the attributes one by one, or we can select a hatch to all the different blocks. Now let's remove these two and this one too. Now we are back to the initial stage. From here, we have different type of patterns. Now, if we do all these areas in one command, if we select any of the area, all the hatch would be selected. You can see I selected the one box, but all the other hatches are also selected. So if you want to keep each of the area individual, you have to perform a different hatch for each specified area. So this was all about the hatch command. I hope you have learned a lot in this lesson. Good luck for your future. Take care.